Here we come to the elevator at Gary Hall at Texas Southern University in Houston, Texas. This thing is small. I assume this is a Montgomery. 3. I wish that fan was not on so we could hear the motor. I didn't think about filming this thing. I assume this is a Montgomery. Is this a Montgomery based on See the Door track? Oh, it's a Dover. Wait, does this used to be a Dover or Montgomery? I have no idea. My gosh, look how small this is. This is a small elevator. This is one of the smallest elevators I've ever seen on this campus. This thing is extremely small. I don't know if this is either a Dover or Montgomery. I'm gonna ring the bell. Does this door track look like is this door track Montgomery or something? Or let's see. All right, there it goes. And that's it.